So in this video, I'll be showing you how to disable Grayscale in sleep mode on the Samsung Galaxy A06. So begin by opening the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to select the option Modes and Routines. From here, tap on Sleep. Then you want to scroll until you get to the section labeled Other Actions. Tap on it. From here, you should see Grayscale. So to turn it off, you have two ways. The first is by simply tapping on Grayscale, then selecting off, tapping on done, and then tap on done again to save the changes. Alternatively, you can always just remove it from this other actions menu like that, then tap on done, and the Grayscale would be disabled in sleep mode. So you can see sleep mode is still enabled, but Grayscale has been turned off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.